Good evening, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Chandrakant sir, your voice is audible.
Okay, sir.
So I request you first you introduce yourself and start the session.
Yes, sir. I will introduce myself and I will start the session. Let me know if you can all able to see my screen. I shared one PPT. So are you able to see my
Yes,
screen?
yes.
Yes,
It
sir,
is
visible.
coming. It is coming.
Okay. And you can able to listen the music also. I am playing some music. Music also you can able to hear.
Yes,
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 sir, yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay, that's nice. So good afternoon, all, and good afternoon, all respected participant. So myself, Chandrakant Devda. I'm working as a technical delivery manager in Vistion company, where I'm leading the DevOps organization. So I'm looking globally for the DevOps related stuff in Vistion. Yeah, we will make the full screen maybe once we start the presentation. So how much time, sir, we have?
Yes, sir. You can take up to 5-10 maximum.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Uh, Thank you. It will require around 45 minutes, but we'll try to shrink up some theory part, and we will not going to waste much time. And we will immediately start the theory part. So let me know if you can able to see my screen properly with the
Yes,
full
sir. Yes,
screen view.
yes. Yes, please
Okay.
go ahead, sir.
So today's session, I will be going to explain you about Sahaj Yoga and generic introduction about Sahaj Yoga in 5 to 10 minutes, and then 10 to 15 minutes we will do the meditation, and then last 5 minutes we will have a practical question and answer session. So I will be not going to explain you in a deep in a theory part because we have limited time, but I will try to concentrate more on practical rather than theory today. Maybe in some other session we can cover a theory part much more detailed way. So before we start, I would like to show you one small 1 minute video which will going to explain you what we are going to cover in today's session. So this video will give you the overall introduction about Sahaj Yoga, what we are going to cover in today's session. So in today's session, we will understand why should we meditate. Okay. So you can even see in the screen. Also, we should understand what is our brain do every day. Then what is the meaning of Sahaj Yoga that we will going to learn today. Then what are these thoughts, and what is a mindfulness that we need to understand. And one very important question: what is a spirit and kundalini, the subtle system which is the main system of our body, and then seven energy center which has the seven different qualities. That quality we are going to study and understand today. And last, left sympathetic nervous system, right sympathetic nervous system, and parasympathetic nervous system that we are going to learn. And then we will have a practical. So first question I should ask, what is a meditation? What do you know about meditation? Can you, whatever you know, can you please share your thoughts? Maybe just 1 or 2 minutes quickly. You can unmute or you can share on a chat. What is a meditation? What is a meditation? Anything which you know, sir, please share your thought. I'm very happy to.
Controlling mind and your senses.
Yes, sir, you are right in a one way, but I would like to know the little more proper definition. Yes, sir. What else?
Mental
Anything?
exercise.
Yes, ma'am.
Mental exercise where we
Mental.
want to relieve ourselves from all the stress and all that stuff.
Yes, ma'am, you are right. Maybe somehow you are right, but not exactly the correct answer, which I can say that. Concentrating on our
Hello, hello,
hello, yes,
hello.
hello, yes, sir, go ahead. Concentrating.
This is a link.
I can you please mute all the participants? Is it possible for the administration?
Yes, sir. Now you go ahead.
Hello,
Y-
hello, hello,
Yeah,
hello,
I request.
Chandrakant ji.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
हाँ जय श्री माता जी.
May I know your name, sir?
My name is Anil Pise. Your name is Chandrakant Deoda.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah. I want to express my views about Sahaj Yoga meditation. Um,
Sir, we have
for
okay.
yeah, for all of you, means for all the participants. Myself, I'm practicing Sahaj Yoga from last 20 years, more than 20 years, from 1998. It is very nice, totally scientific, and very nice. It is very helpful for stress management and our health also. So we all will listen about Sahaj Yoga by Chandrakant Deoda ji. Thank you, Jai Shri Mataji. Yeah, yeah. Continue,
Okay.
sir. Continue, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Happy to know you, sir. You are also part of this session. This.
Yeah. I am also part of this session. I am attending from from start first session. Yeah.
Okay. Great to know you, sir. Thank you very much. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
And one more thing, from last 20 years, not a single time I visit hospital. So
okay. Yeah.
it is very nice Sahaj Yoga meditation. You can. It is good to know you are explaining about the Sahaj Yoga to everyone. You can
Yeah.
continue, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, as now we come back to our main topic, what is a
Huh?
meditation? So, let me explain you. In each day, we are getting a huge number of thoughts. Okay. So, one thought will come, then it goes down, then another thought will come, and then it goes down. Agree? You all are agree with this? But what happened? There is a fraction of time between one thought which will going to end and another thought will going to start. Then that fraction of second we call as a meditation. And if we increase that duration, that is the state of thoughtless awareness or a meditation, or in Hindi we call as a nirvicharita, or in Sanskrit we call as a turiya state. So a position or a state where we do not have any kind of thought, that is called as a meditation. It's a very simple definition. In English, that state we call as a thoughtless awareness. Okay. Now we understood like what is a meditation. Now we will understand four state of consciousness. So how we feel after doing the meditation, we understand what is a meditation, the definition we understand theoretically, but how do we feel inside our body when we do this meditation? So we have four state. One is when we are walking with each other, that time our brain is working, our body is working. Then second step is a dreaming. When we are sleeping, our body is relaxed but our brain is working. And then third step is a deep sleep. When we go on a sleep, that time we did not know how much time we sleep, but when we wake up we feel a very fresh, very joyful, very happy. That is the state we call as a deep sleep. But beyond deep sleep, or superior than deep sleep, is a thoughtless awareness. Just do a 10 minute of meditation, you will be feel a very relaxed, much more relaxed than deep sleep, much more positive, much more energetic than deep sleep. So this is the experience you will get. So what you will get today is not the theory part, but you get the experience of inner freedom, experience of balance, experience of spirituality, experience of self realization. So that is what we all are here today. So why should I do meditation? Because there are number of reasons why should we do meditation, but I just point out 3 or 4 important point. Today's life is lot of work pressure. We are like workaholic. We are working, but we don't know how to balance our work. Because of that, our personal life, social life, family life get disturbed. Because of this work, we are sitting in front of TV, laptop, mobile 8 to 10 hours. This is a normal scenario, either myself or you people or other. Because of that, we get the back pain, we get the eyes problem, we get the spinal cord issue, our body structure get disturbed. Then what we are doing, we are going into medical shop, taking a medicine, and then we thought, okay, we cure. But believe me, friend, each medicine has a side effect. If you are taking a medicine and curing your problem within a 2-3 hour, 4 hour, it will cure for temporary, but in later part of your life, you will face a lot of problem, because each medicine has a side effect. So do you have any mechanism which can cure all this problem naturally, or this problem can resolve from the root? Yes, we have the solution. That solution is a Sahaja Yoga meditation. Every day we are taking a bath to clear the dust and dirt from our body. If we stop taking a bath, this dirt will accumulate on our body and we will get sick. Similar way, every day there are negative thoughts and negative emotions are coming to our brain from the different part of society, like TV, political party, extremist people. If we don't clear, what will happen? It will create a stress, it will create a frustration, it will create the anger. And where you will remove this anger? You will remove this anger in your family, friend circle, and your boss, and you will spoil the relation. So there are number of reasons why should we do meditation, and there are number of benefit, but the solution is only one, the Sahaja Yoga meditation. So as now we will understand what is a Sahaja Yoga, what is a self-realization, and who invented this technique. If you know, we have a physical body which is 2 hands, 2 eyes, 2 legs. Similar way, we have one internal body which we call as a subtle system with the 3 nadis, 7 energy center, and 1 instrumental energy which we call as a kundalini. So that we are going to learn today. So the blue line which you see here, we call as a left sympathetic nervous system. In Sanskrit, we call as Ida Nadi. It's related to our past. It's related to our desire power. It's related to heaviness in our body. The yellow line which you see, which we call as a right sympathetic nervous system, and we call as a Pingla Nadi in Sanskrit. This is the nadi, this is the nadi which associated with our future thoughts, future activity, power, action power. And then third nadi which we see in the center path, which we call as a Sushumna Nadi. And in science, we call it as a parasympathetic nervous system. This is the channel of evolution. On this channel, there are 7 energy centers. The first one is a Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Nabhi, Hriday, Vishuddhi, Agya, and Sahasrara. And then there is a one Kundalini energy, which we call as a instrumental energy, which is in a passive state. But when this energy gets activated and it goes to top of our head, we feel the cool or hot breeze and we feel the thoughtless awareness. So this is the method, this is the process we call as a self-realization, or in Hindi we call as a Atma Sakshatkar. So this is the experience which we are all going to experience today in next 5 to 10 minutes. So let me explain you what is the Sahaja Yoga from the founder. I guess you are not getting a sound. So, okay, no problem. So no issue. As I explain you, we have a spinal cord. On that, there are 7 energy center. One is above, one will be above the spinal cord, and one is below the spinal cord. This energy center is exactly what? This is nothing but the bunch of cell which going to control up our body organ. For example, Nabhi chakra will going to control the stomach, kidney, and pancreas. If what is the disease? Disease is nothing but the imbalance in this energy center. Once it get imbalance, your immune power get reduced and you get the disease. But when you concentrate and you do meditate on Nabhi chakra, it come into the balance. And once it come into the balance, your stomach, kidney, or pancreas, if you have any disease, it get cured naturally without taking any medicine, because the immune power or a positive energy get increased on this organ. So let me explain you this whole scenario with one small animation. This is our body structure, and you can see there are 3 nadis which I just explained you. And then there is a Kundalini energy, which is an instrumental energy, which is in a triangular bone. Once this energy get activated, it will nourish the first energy center, which we call as the Muladhara. It control all our reproductive organ. After that, it goes to second energy center, which we call as a Swadhisthana chakra. Basically, this energy center generate the gray cell for our body, which gray cell for our brain. So that's why we can increase our creativity from this center. Then slowly energy goes to third energy center, which we call as a Nabhi chakra, which is just now I explained. After that, this energy goes to the heart chakra. Heart chakra basically control all our heart organ. And then it goes to the Vishuddhi chakra. Vishuddhi chakra is the energy center which control our ear, nose, throat, all the sensing organ. After it nourish and manifest the quality of Vishuddhi chakra, it slowly transfer to the next chakra, which we call as Agya chakra, or in science we call as optic chiasma. After that, it goes to top of our head, which we call as a limbic area or a Sahasrara chakra. So once the energy reach there, we feel a cool or hot breeze on our both the palm and top of our head. So that experience we are going to experience today, or we will be having that self-realization and we can experience that energy. So who invented this technique? This technique is invented by Her Holiness Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi, also we call as a Dr. Shri Nirmala Srivastav. She is born on March 21, 1923. She completed her medicine and physiology in 1940. She completed her doctor degree from the Lahore University. She discovered the Sahaj Yoga meditation technique in 5th May 1970. After that, she traveled across the world and educate the people. Today, millions and millions people are getting a benefit from the Sahaj Yoga. Sahaj Yoga is totally free of charge. It does not have any kind of hidden charge. You can go to any state, city, any village, any country. You will find a free Sahaj Yoga center. There will be no charge or no hidden charge. So Shri Mataji, what Shri Mataji does, Shri Mataji is a doctor. So she combined the spirituality and a science together and discovered the technique which we call as a self-realization. For this technique, she received a numerous award, and a lot of country has given a lot of award to Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi, as well as she nominated for the Global Peace Prize Award. Now, why Sahaj Yoga meditation is a unique meditation technique? Because it's completely natural technique. It does not have any kind of side effect. You can be your own doctor. It's a very scientific technique, and you can see the immediate result on your palm. So let's enjoy this technique. We are moving toward the balancing step, or we are moving toward the practical part of this session. So this will be around 10 to 10 minutes. This is the practical part. First, I will be going to explain you the step with the open eyes, and then we will going to do all the step with the closed eyes. So first, let us understand the balancing. As I explain you, we have a left sympathetic nervous system and right sympathetic nervous system. So how to balance that thing? So first position will be both of your hand on your lap, both the hand on your lap, and your palm will be facing toward the sky. अपने दोनों हाथ अपने गोदी में रख लीजिए. You can do this step with me. Both the hand on your lap, your palm will be facing toward the sky. This is a base position. Then first position to clear the left side. So our left hand on a lap and right hand toward the Mother Earth. If you are sitting on the chair, direct your right hand toward the Mother Earth. If you are sitting on a ground, just touch your right hand to Mother Earth. And here we will say some prayer. But what is the science behind this technique? If you throw any heavy particle, where it come? If you throw any heavy particle toward the sky, where it come to the ground because of a gravitational field. Similarly, all the heaviness of our left side, we are removing our all the heaviness from our left side toward the mother earth element. Then slowly both the hand on our lap, then we will clear our right side. So our right hand on our lap, and we will raise our left hand toward the sky, bending from the elbow. You can see the screen. And here our right hand on our lap, palm will be upward, bend our left arm at the elbow and direct palm toward the back side. So our left hand toward the sky, bending from the elbow, and our palm will be facing backward side. Okay. The science behind this step is, if you ignite the fire, where it goes toward the sky. Similar way, all the heat from our liver, we are trying to remove with this step. Then third step, raise our right hand, put on our heart. Raise our right hand, put on our heart. Then next step, raise our right hand, put on our forehead horizontally. जहां पे हमारा सर दुखता है या टीका लगाते हैं ना, उस जगह. Raise our right hand, put horizontally on our forehead. Okay. And then last step, raise our right hand, put top of our head. Press it little bit hard and stretch our palm. Rotate our palm 7 times clockwise direction. Okay. So these are the 5 steps we need to do. So all are ready? Can we start the session?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's start the session. Slowly close our eyes. Our spinal cord should be upright and straight. Be in a relaxed position. हम अपने दोनों हाथ अपने गोद में रखेंगे, आंखें बंद करेंगे, प्रसन्न चित्त होके बैठेंगे, एकदम रिलैक्स मूड में. Slowly we'll close our eyes, both the hand on our lap, our attention on top of our head and on both the palm. And watch our thoughts. Do not get involved in a thought. Just watch as a third person. Now slowly we'll take our right hand on Mother Earth. If you are sitting on the chair, direct your right hand toward Mother Earth. If you are sitting on a ground, just touch your right hand on Mother Earth. And here in our heart, we will pray, "Oh Mother, please clear my left channel. Please remove all the heaviness from my Ida Nadi toward this Mother Earth element." You may feel some kind of energy. You may feel some kind of energy is coming to your left hand palm and slowly coming out of your right hand palm. You need to enjoy this energy. You need to feel that energy. Now slowly take your both the hand on your lap. Now raise your left hand toward the sky, bending from the elbow. And here in our heart, we will pray, Oh mother, please clear my right channel. Mother, please remove all the excessive hate, unnecessary thoughts from my right channel toward the sky element. You may feel some kind of energy is coming to your right hand palm and slowly coming out of your left hand palm. You need to enjoy this energy. You need to experience this energy. Now slowly take your both the hand on your lap. Be relaxed. Your concentration on top of your head and on both your palm. Now raise your right hand and put on your heart little left side. Press it little bit hard. And here in our heart we need to say, Mother, I am the pure spirit. Raise our right hand, put on our heart little left side, press it little bit hard, and we will pray in our heart with full confidence. Mother, I am the pure spirit. You need to say 12 times in your heart. श्री माता जी, मैं एक शुद्ध आत्मा हूँ. Mother, I am the pure spirit. Now slowly take your right hand, put horizontally on your forehead, press it little bit hard, squeeze your palm, move your head little down toward Mother Earth. अपना सीधा हाथ माथे पे रखना है जहां पे हम टीका लगाते हैं, सर दुखता है. Press it little bit hard, and in our heart we need to pray, Mother, I forgive everyone, including myself. मैंने सबको क्षमा कर दी है. मुझे जिसने भी चोट पहुंचाई है, मैंने सबको क्षमा कर दी है. Mother, I forgive everyone, including myself. Do not think about any individual, just forgive. Now slowly raise our right hand, put on top of our head, stretch our palm, press it little bit hard, rotate our palm 7 times clockwise direction, and here you need to pray, Mother, please give me my self-realization. Mother, प्लीज गिव मी माई सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन। श्री माता जी, मुझे मेरा आत्म साक्षात्कार प्रदान कीजिए। श्री माता जी, कृपया मुझे मेरा आत्म साक्षात्कार प्रदान कीजिए। Rotate our palm 7 times clockwise direction. Pray 7 times in our heart. Mother, please give me my self-realization. And slowly, slowly take your both the hand on your lap. Your spinal cord should be upright and straight. Be in a relaxed position. Our concentration on both our palm and top of our head. And we'll do a meditation for few minutes. Now slowly, slowly you can open your eyes. Slowly, slowly you can open your eyes. हम धीरे धीरे अपनी आंखें खोलेंगे. Slowly, slowly you can open your eyes. अब आप अगर मेरा वीडियो आप देख सकते हो तो आप मेरा वीडियो देखिए और अपना राइट हैंड अपने सर के ऊपर लेके जाना है इस तरीके से. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल अदर पार्टिसिपेंट इफ यू कैन स्टार्ट देयर वीडियो फॉर जस्ट 1 or 2 मिनट. अपना वीडियो 1 मिनट के लिए ऑन कीजिए. अपना जो राइट हैंड है सर के ऊपर लेके जाइए इस तरीके से. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल अदर पार्टिसिपेंट इफ यू कैन स्विच ऑन देयर वीडियो फॉर 1 or 2 मिनट. अपना राइट हैंड सर के ऊपर इस तरीके से थोड़ा ऊपर रखना है, थोड़ा नीचे, थोड़ा लेफ्ट, थोड़ा राइट करके देखिए. कुछ ठंडा या गर्म आपको महसूस हो रहा है या नहीं. ठीक है. अब राइट हैंड अपना गोद में लेफ्ट हैंड से करके देखेंगे. लेफ्ट हैंड से करके देखिए. कुछ ठंडा या कुछ गर्म आपके सर में से आ रहा है या नहीं, इसे महसूस करना है. ठीक है. फिर से लेफ्ट हैंड गोद में राइट हैंड से करके देखेंगे. बहुत सूक्ष्म एनर्जी है, आपको महसूस करके देखना है. ठीक है. एकदम सूक्ष्म एनर्जी है. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा बहुत आराम से कीजिए, महसूस करके देखिए कि आपको कुछ महसूस हो रहा है या नहीं. अब अपने दोनों हाथ आकाश की तरफ करना है इस तरीके से स्ट्रेट. दोनों हाथ आकाश की तरफ इस तरीके से स्ट्रेट पूरी तरह. सर पीछे की ओर झुका और यहाँ पे हम एक प्रश्न पूछेंगे, श्री माता जी, क्या यही परम चैतन्य है? क्या यही आत्म साक्षात्कार की अनुभूति है? और धीरे धीरे अपने दोनों हाथ हृदय के लेवल पे लाना है। इस तरीके से हृदय के लेवल पे लाके नमस्कार करेंगे हम, जैसे नमस्कार करते हैं ना, उस तरीके से। और उसको धीरे धीरे अपने को खोलना है, उसको धीरे धीरे खोलेंगे। आपको कुछ दोनों हाथों के बीच में कुछ शक्ति महसूस हो रही होगी। स्लोली स्लोली ओपन योर बोथ द पाम, देन स्लोली क्लोज। बहुत स्लो करना है, ठीक है? कुछ शक्ति महसूस हो रही है आपको? कुछ शक्ति महसूस हो रही होगी, करके देखिए। आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल पार्टिसिपेंट, प्लीज डू इट वंस। करके देखिए, इस तरीके से करके देखिए। थोड़ा सा पास लाइए, थोड़ा दूर लेके जाइए, इस प्रकार करके देखिए। अब रिलैक्स हो जाइए। अब अगर आपको कोई प्रश्न है तो आप प्रश्न पूछ सकते हो। मैं आपके प्रश्नों का आंसर दूंगा। और हमारे साथ में जो आप ही के बैच में से जो रिस्पेक्टेड सर है, उन्हें भी सहयोग पता है, तो वो भी आंसर दे सकते हैं। तो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल पार्टिसिपेंट, प्लीज डू नॉट हेजिटेट and ask the question. I will be going to answer, or the Anil sir, who is a part of this team, he can also going to ask the answer your question. So thank you, Anil sir, for providing a very good information on Sahaj Yoga already. And I posted one feedback link. I request you all participant, please go on that link and share your feedback. It will take 1 or 2 minutes, and this will be a great help. And in between, in your team, we have Anil sir, so you can reach to Anil sir anytime. He will be going to help you all the time. So please feel free to ask 1 or 2 question. I will be going to address question. Please let me know what is your question.
Sir, please see your chat window. Some participant already posted some query.
Okay, that is nice. Nice, Yoga. Any age limit? No, sir. There is no age limit. You can do for age, all age. This yoga can be performed. There is no age limit as such. Okay. Is there any particular time to do the yoga? Sir, there is no particular time to do the yoga, but the best time will be morning when you wake up, 5 to 10 minutes, and at the night before you go for sleep, 10 to 15 minutes. So you can do this yoga. Any more other? Any question? Any question?
Sir, please share your email ID so that if there is any question, they can directly mail you.
Yeah. I will share my email ID. I request you all participants, please fill the feedback form. I'm sharing my number as well as email ID. So you can contact me at any time. I am sharing my email ID also.
Yeah, 1 minute, sir. There is one question.
Yeah.
Is there any web portal? Somebody is asking. There are lots of websites available, even on YouTube also. If you write Sahaj Yoga meditation for beginners, you will get everything. And on Google also, there is everything is available.
Yeah. Thanks, Anil sir. I'm very happy to know that Anil sir is on your team and he knows very good about Sahaj Yoga. So I am very confident that he can share a more knowledge to you with all participants. Right, Anil sir? Hello. Any more question? Hello, participant, respected participant. Any more questions? Yes, sir.
Hello.
Go ahead. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Go ahead.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Actually, is any yoga to how to stress management or to reduce the stress?
Sir, this is Sahaj Yoga meditation technique is the best method to reduce the stress. This is a best method to combat your stress. If you do regularly, you will see that your stress level will be drastically get reduced. So I request you please do this yoga regularly and see the changes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, very good comment from the Dr. Sarthak sir. Thank you, sir, for your nice appreciation. I will request you all, please fill the feedback form. If possible, it will take 1 or 2 minutes. So I request all participants, please do that. And I can take a 1 or 2 more question if you want to know, like if you want to know why the cool or hot breeze you feel, or you want to know how to cure blood pressure or how to cure the diabetes, or if you want to know foot soak technique. I don't know if we can get one more session on follow up. If you all people like, we can have one more follow up session. And if sir gives the permission, where we can teach you about foot soak, music therapy, and other technique also. So this session is very short, so could not able to complete all the topic. So do you have any question? Do not hesitate. Please feel free to call any questions. Any questions? How much time it take to get the fruits? I didn't understood the question, sir. Suresh, sir.
Suresh Prabhu.
Suresh Prabhu, sir. Effectiveness. Okay. How much time it take to get the effectiveness? Okay, sir. So, sir, this is all depend on how you do a meditation and how you get the thoughtless awareness. See, each human body is a different, and each human body has a different state. So, depending on, we cannot have a one standard formula, but if you do regular practice, so this will give a feedback mechanism. How did you perform the meditation, and how good you did the meditation, you can come to know on your palm. So once you start doing regularly, you will come to know the state on your palm. So try doing. Maybe some people get in 2 days, some people get 8 days, some people take 1 month, some people take 6 months. So it is all depend on the human body to body. How to control the blood pressure? So this is very good question, ma'am. Thank you for asking me. I can show you how to control the blood pressure. How much time can we take? 5 minutes more?
Yes, please.
So because I want to explain the blood pressure part in a very good way. So let me show you the how to control the blood pressure. Let me know if you can able to see my screen, and I'm showing one diagram how to 5 step to control and cure the blood pressure. Are you able to see this page? Hello? Yeah. So there is a 5 step which can control the blood pressure. First thing, we need to understand why the blood pressure is happened. Because we have one aortic plex, which we call as a Swadhisthana chakra, which is distributing an equal amount of energy to our brain, liver, pancreas, kidney, and heart. But this energy chakra get imbalanced because if we are using a particular organ more and other organ less. For example, if we are using a more brain, then what will happen? It provide a more energy to the brain, and then because of that, the energy he cannot provide to the other organ. So other organ will generate the heat. Because of that heat, we this energy center get imbalance, and we get the different disease like blood pressure, diabetes, and all other sort of problem. But to cure this, a very effective technique which is explained by Her Holiness Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi is, first take your self-realization. That is what we did today. Then you need to do the balancing. Every day you need to do a balancing of 5 to 10 minutes. Then you need to do the meditation after balancing. And then you need to do the foot soak technique. That is a cleansing technique, which we call as a foot soak technique, which you can see in this diagram. And then there is a ice pack treatment. So if you do foot soak technique, ice pack treatment, meditation and balancing regularly, your blood pressure will be go away within a 5 to 10 minutes. Within 5 to 10 days, you will see the impact. And if you do regularly, in 6 to 8 months, you see the proper impact on blood pressure. So I am posting this link on a chart. You can go on a detail on this link, and you can learn more about that link. Sir, how can we control our anger? How to cope up with the situation when we get irritated with the stuff? Sir, this is a very practical question. What happened? Why we get the anger? Because we are expecting something, and if this doesn't happen, we get the anger. If we are expecting and this doesn't happen, then we get the anger. So best way is if you do a meditation. So with the meditation, even if there is a frustration come, we handle very peacefully, very calmly. We don't get the anger. So do the meditation for 8 or 10 days and see if there is a transformation is happening to you or not. Okay. Any more questions, sir? It was very nice to see a very beautiful question which you all has raised now. I'm very happy to see that. So Nayak sir is there in the call? Nayak sir?
Yes, yes. Hello.
Yeah. So thank you very much, sir, for giving this opportunity.
Thank you very much.
It
Because
was
we have a very tight schedule. In each day, we are conducting for 6 hours. This
Yeah,
session is really essential for our participants.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, because we have very tight schedule. I am unable
Yeah.
to give another slot to you. Right?
yeah.
So in the next program, we will take care of these things.
Yeah, sir. And if they need, if the participant need any follow up, please let us know. We can do a follow up also, sir.
Okay.
And our team will be going to send one mail to you. Maybe you can share with all the participant.
Okay.
Once again, thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity, and we can see one future some more session from you. And
Thank
we will be very happy to address any question from the participant also.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, and thank you, Anil sir, for giving all this help. If you can
Yeah.
provide your email and phone number also, I will be in a touch with you, sir.
Yeah. I have just shared my number on your WhatsApp. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you. That will be
Yeah.
great.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'm logging off from the system. It has a nice session with all of you. Bye for now.